Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I share recipes, tips, and techniques with you. If you subscribe to my channel, you know that I love baking. Sometimes you run out of ingredients. I use brown sugar a lot in my baking. I love the added flavor that it gives to my baked goods. But sometimes you run out. Here's a bit of trivia. Did you know that brown sugar is actually regular granulated sugar with molasses? This is what makes up brown sugar. You have light brown sugar and you have dark brown sugar. The only difference is the amount of molasses that's added to the white sugar. Simple. For light brown sugar, you're going to use 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of molasses. And look how this is transforming. You may have little flecks of molasses in your sugar mixture. That's okay, because when you put this in your mixer, it's going to get rid of all those flecks. It'll blend it all together. So here, perfect. This is what we would call light brown sugar. Now we want to go for dark brown sugar. That requires 2 tablespoons. So I'm just going to add 1 more tablespoon of molasses to my sugar. Look at how this is coming together. And let's compare these side by side. And just like that, you can make your own light and dark brown sugar. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.